Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE Made Easy, and first of all I would like to congratulate you all the learners who were aiming for or those who were planning to migrate to Canada for the permanent residency or work purpose. So now PTE Core is also available. If you have not watched the information until now, please go through the video link above. You will get to know everything related to the PTE Core exam as well as PT Core versus PT Academic. So there is a whole playlist on PT Core and I'm going to share the link above as well. Now in this session, we are going to focus on the second task, which is like respond to a situation. So basically in the PT Core exam, there are total of 19 tasks. Okay. So out of 20 tasks, one task has been eliminated in the PTE Core exam. So in the PTE Academic, we also have highlight correct summary in the listening part. However, in the PT Core exam, that task has been eliminated. So we have total of 7 tasks in PT listening because highlight correct summary part or the task has been eliminated. PT reading is totally the same. In the PT listening part, one task has been eliminated as I have just explained. Now, in the PT speaking and writing part, we have total of 7 tasks, but 2 tasks have been replaced. Okay, so the first one is retail lecture. So the retail lecture of PT Academic has been replaced by respond to a situation, which I am going to explain in detail today in the session. And the essay writing part of PT Academic exam has been replaced by email writing part. So that has also been explained in a different video, and in that I have given you the full structure of email writing, everything related to email writing, the templates, the structure, the scoring criteria, the time limit, everything. So you can go and check out that video as well. The link is available above. So respond to a situation. This is a task which has been taken there instead of retail lecture now. So what exactly do you need to do? You'll get to know everything related to respond to a situation task. I'll explain you the question. I'll explain you the description. Then you'll have 20 seconds to think about your response and then 40 seconds to speak up. You'll also get to know the scoring criteria. So everything is here. Okay, so please keep watching the video until the end. And if you want any assistance related to the PTE exam preparation, be it academic or core, you can simply contact us on the numbers given below. And we are pretty sure we'll be able to help you out in that the way we have helped thousands of learners out there. So let's look at PTE respond to a situation. So first of all, you are going to listen to or read our description. It is not or, it is and. You will also listen to an audio and you will get to read a description. So an audio of somewhere around 50 to 70 seconds, okay, and then you have this description as well. The description will be of somewhere around 60 words, and with the help of the description you will get to understand the situation, as the question clearly says respond to a situation. So you are in your office on Monday morning and your manager asks you whether you can send her the sales report she asked for by Wednesday. So basically your manager asked you to prepare a sales report and she earlier asked you to submit it by Wednesday. Okay. But now, because of some circumstances, you are not able to finish it by Wednesday. You will not be able to finish it by Wednesday. Okay. So it is Monday morning. You will not be able to finish it by Wednesday because the sales team can't send you the figures. On the basis of the figures only, you can create the file. But that has not yet been received. So that you will be getting by tomorrow, Tuesday. And or a day later than you expected. Okay. What would you say to your colleague? So now what are you going to say to your manager? So he asked you for the sales report. What will you say now? That's what you have to respond. Now here you have to speak up. The whole task is about listening and speaking skills. So you're going to listen to the audio carefully. You'll read the description and then you have to speak up. Okay. Text up to 60 words. It's already here, which I have explained you. After the audio finishes, you have 20 seconds to prepare. So let's say the audio has finished. You have 20 seconds to prepare, but please do not forget to prepare notes during the time you're listening to the audio. So please listen to the audio carefully and prepare notes. So that's what you have to do. You listen to the audio carefully and simultaneously prepare notes. Okay? Simultaneously prepare notes. You get 40 seconds to answer. And those who do not know, if you do not speak for 3 seconds after the beep starts, the recording automatically stops. So please take care of this. So I don't want this particular thing to happen to any one of you. So please take care of this. Just start speaking as soon as the beep starts. Okay. Now, how is the task go? On the basis of appropriacy. So whether you have answered the task appropriately as per the demand of the question, so that is appropriacy. Then fluency, whether you are able to speak it up fluently or not, and the pronunciation of the words you are going to use. So you need to take care of these three things when it comes to the scoring of this task. Now, coming to the sample answer, how will I answer this question? It is like this. So I'm writing to the colleague. So I'll just write, Hi Mike, I'm afraid it would not be possible to finish it by Wednesday evening as the final report sheet by sales team has not yet been received by me and they need one more day for submission. So clearly explained everything, appropriacy. Kindly allow some extra time to me. I'll certainly submit it by Thursday noon. I hope you understand. Thank you for the cooperation. So you're going to speak it up like this. Okay, simply speak it up like this. You can use the following template as well or the structure when you get any other situation. You can start it like this. Hi Mike, I'm afraid it would not be possible to finish it by Wednesday evening as the final report sheet by sales team has not yet been received by me and they need one more day for submission. Kindly allow some extra time to me. I will certainly submit it by Thursday noon. I hope you understand. Thanks for the cooperation. Okay. So you are going to speak it up like this. And it is very easy. It is actually very easy. It is much easier than retail lecture. Here you have the script also, you have the prompt as well. And on the basis of that, you have to speak it up. And you can do it. You get 20 seconds to prepare. And during the time audio is getting played, that time also you're going to prepare and you can simply use the same thing. You're going to greet the person you are responding to. Hi Mike, hi Cherry, hi Lakshmi, whatever it is. I'm afraid it would not be possible. I'm sure I'll be able to submit. That depends from situation to situation. I'm afraid it would not be possible to finish it by Wednesday evening. I'm sure I'll be able to submit it by Wednesday evening as the final report sheet is already at my table right now and I have started preparing the same. So please give me some time and I'm going to share it with you very soon. Today evening, we are going to discuss the same once before the final submission of the file. So you just need to speak fluently, you just need to be confident, you just need to pronounce every word properly and focus on appropriacy. That's what this task is demanding, nothing else. And I always say whenever you are speaking in English, so please focus only on confidence. Speak confidently, speak comfortably, and last but not least, speak naturally. That's what the PT exam demands, nothing else. So please prepare this particular task like this only. And in the coming sessions, I'm going to come up with a detailed video on respond to a situation as well, in which we are going to practice more questions of respond to a situation. Now coming to the practice part of email writing and respond to a situation, for the same you can simply contact us, you can join us for the sessions. But if you are still confused what exactly do you need to do, you need just free study material, then in that case Alpha PT and APE unit doesn't have the free study material right now. You need to wait for a few days for respond to a situation practice questions as well as email writing practice questions. So that's all for this session. I'm going to come up with another session very soon. And if you want me to create a video on some other topic of your choice, just let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely shoot the video on the same topic. Thank you very much for joining me today. Goodbye and Sat Sri Akal.